everyone. In the previous video, we discussed how to make a slide layer. Now in this video, we will show how to show that slide layer by applying triggers. So it's a quick 2-minute tutorial where when a person is clicking on this button, the slide layer will show. So let's see how it goes. So alright, here is my base slide. This is my base slide. I have already created a button and a new layer in our previous video as discussed. If you are not sure how to make a layer, check out my previous videos. Now let's connect the button to the layer. So for the first thing is like we need to select this button by clicking on that and then go to the triggers panel, which is on the right hand side. Click on this button, which is called as create a new layer, new trigger, sorry. So when we are going to click on that, so in the action thing, we need to select what we have to do is like we need to show a layer. So we will click on show layer. And then what we have to do is like we need to show which layer. So we have created this layer and its name is your first slide layer. So we'll click on that and we will make sure that the same slide or the same layer is getting selected. So its name is your first slide layer. We'll click on that and then that's it. We'll click on OK. So now let's preview that. So here when I'm going to click on this button, the layer simply shows up. That's it. It's quick and it's very simple. In the next video, I'll show you how to hide this slide layer. So stay tuned. Thank you.